Hello students, KCET 2025 registration and filling of application form online has already started, and here's how I'll be telling you to proceed. Okay, so you can first go to the KEA website. You can see this first place in the section flash news, the first one, that is UGCT 2025 online application. I can read it for you. Application link. Okay, so click on this, then you will be directed to this particular page. Now here's some important information that is given which you should be knowing. Let me okay, this is not zooming. Okay, fine. So common application form for the following courses. What all courses are there? UG CET, UG NEET, UG or Ayush, architecture, nursing, pharmacy. Then you have BPO, BPT, AHS, paramedical, BPO, BPT, AHS courses. Okay, so if you are, especially I'm telling you for the NEET students, you also have to register. Your exam will definitely be NEET exam, but to participate in the KCET counseling process, okay, or to in the counseling process you cannot participate if you haven't registered. So that is why you also have to register, fill the application form and pay the fees. Okay, now once you are done with this, here are the list of documents that should be ready with you to start your registration. Okay, before starting this, make sure that you are ready with these all data. So first of all, it is your SSLC 10th marks card to enter the register number and date of birth. So you should have your 10th certificate ready. Second, 12th or second PUC mark card. So those students who have taken a drop and are applying for the second time, for them you can you should have your 12th marks in case of the previous year students. Now all the reservation categories to enter RD number, caste, category income, non-creamy layer certificate, Hyderabad, Karnataka certificates, whichever if you want to claim. So whichever category you are claiming the reservation, in that particular category you need to get the data. Next, details of studied in Karnataka, what medium you studied, which class you studied, like this all data. Then candidate latest passport size photograph in JPG format. Okay, passport size photograph, and what is the maximum size that is there? 50 KB. Okay, 50 KB. Please make sure that your passport size photo is of that particular size. Okay, next, candidate signature, that also should be in JPG format, and what is the size? Here also maximum 50 KB size is required. Okay, so once all these documents are ready, so if you are one second, yes, if you are a new user, okay, most of you will be new user as you are appearing in this exam for the first time. So you have to click on proceed to registration for new user. Okay, so once you click on this, you will be directed to this page. Okay, yes, one second. Okay, okay, so here you can see certain questions are there. The instructions for registration. So please see, if you have completed your SSLC or 10th standard in Karnataka State Board KCB, then select yes, else select no in case of other board. So if you are from CBSE or from other boards, then you have to select no. Next, enter your SSLC register number located in the marks card. Second is what? If you have studied other than Karnataka SSLC board, select correct board and enter the correct application number or registration number as per your 10th mark card. Okay, so if you are from CBSE, ICSE or any other board, you have to enter that application number. It will be there in your mark card. Okay, next, what is there? Enter the father name, mother name, date of birth, gender, your SATS number, optional if available in the marks card. So SATS number should be there. If it is not there, that is also fine. Okay, it is optional as per the 10th or SSLC mark card. So make sure that your father name, mother name, spellings and everything is according to their 10th mark card. Okay, next is what? Enter the correct mobile number as verification OTP will be shared on one mobile number, one application. Okay, so with one mobile number you can have only one application number. So that is why make sure that you are giving these all datas. Now we have upload correct latest passport size photo of 50 KB clear photo, as this will be verified during the application login. Okay, so that is all that you can do. These are the instructions that you have to follow. Now once you are done with this, so if you have seen, for example, have you completed the SLC exam from Government of Karnataka? I think whatever is yes or no, you have to click on that. Okay, Now after that, what you have to do, once you put this, if not studied in SLC Karnataka State Board, then select. So what is your board? So you can select it. One second. Okay, here you have to, yes, now once you click on this, you can see what you have done. For example, if you have completed in CBSE, so click on CBSE in Karnataka. What are the other options? You can see different states have been given. Okay, CBSE in Karnataka, ICSE in Karnataka, CBSE outside Karnataka. So I will select whatever you have done. Okay, next, student UID for 9th or 10th standard roll number. Okay, so SSLC registration number or student unique identification number. So you can see, where can I find my SSLC registration number? Students of CBS or ICSE should prefix the 10th studied year with his or her roll number. So here is a pattern that is given. You can find your roll number in your marks card or even in your admit card of your 10th exam, right? Now apart from that, what you have to enter the year in which you have studied. Like suppose for example, you have done in 2023 or 2022. So 2022, then your roll number should come. Okay, after that you have to click on verify. Okay, so once you click on verify, then you can proceed. Okay, so that's all students in this. So I hope that all of you have understood the process, but do not worry, I'll be coming up with a detailed video on how to start your registration up to the filling of application forms. Okay, so please subscribe the channel for more such informative videos.